Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be going over assembly of a CO2 control kit. First thing I do is I like to apply Teflon to all of the areas where I'm going to be placing my fittings. These are mainly 1/4 inch fittings that'll be going there, so I'm going to be applying fittings to my primary air pump in. Okay, I'll be applying fittings to my CO2 out to the multiplex. This is going to be going to the multiplex. This one here is for the backup CO2 tank in, and this one will be going to the bulk tank in. And then down here, this fitting here and this regulator is going to be for the Freezoni regulator. It's going to be set to 70 psi once everything is hooked up, and then this will be the CO2 out going to the Freezoni machines. So right here I have my fitting for the primary air pump in side, and this is going to be my backup air pump in. So there's going to be a primary and a backup for the air, and then this is going to be the air out to the bib rack. I also want to note that these inserts right here, these are 1/4 inch inserts which fit inside this fitting. You should always be sure to have these inserts in the fitting when you're connecting for air or water fittings. You should always use these nylon inserts. So usually you'll have 1/4 inch nylon inserts or 3/8. If you're not using these, a lot of times you'll find that your connections will have leaks. So it's important to use those inserts. Okay, so now I have my CO2 out to the multiplex. This is my backup CO2 in, and this is my bulk tank CO2 in. And again, this is the out port for the CO2 going to the Freezoni machines, the Slurpee machines. And they always have a diagram right on the platform for you. This right here will be mounted and then put in place, and then you can connect up to all of your connections. But it's a good thing to do for pre-work, and all of the fittings and the clamps come with everything. They come with the inserts and the fittings. You'll just want to use some Teflon tape on the threads, and then that's your CO2 control kit assembled. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay well.